Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor. This is my first week back from vacation, so I want to do a video on the market analysis, broader markets, SPYs, Qs, IWM, and diamonds. And looking at Friday initially, because I was not participating in the market on Friday, I looked at Friday, a nice gap up, and we made some highs, and then what followed through, as we continue to make new highs, what followed through today is just a small range day. And usually, after we have a big gap up, and if we don't open higher than, the previous day's high, if we open lower, I'm not expecting a whole lot of big moves to occur. As you can see, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing a range of about $1.58 in SPYs, and so there's no clear indication on which side the market wants to go, and so as a result, there's not a whole lot of trading to do. But for all of you who participated on Friday on call options on the upside, you had a fantastic day. It was a beautiful day. And so today, small range day, not a whole lot to take a look at. And so looking at the Qs, very similar thing. We had a very nice push up on Friday, and today a small range day. Now there's a little bit of a different story in IWM, because IWM, our leading indicator, did not have a good push up on Friday. Today it started to show some strengths. It started to push up right out the gate. It opened above Friday's close, and even above Friday's high. It just kept pushing higher and higher, and then it after the 15 minutes it collapsed. And so there's not a whole lot to the downside to take a look at, because we have some headwinds, but the IWM that appeared to be strong is no longer the strongest. And if we look at the diamonds, very similar to SPYs and Qs, push up on Friday and almost like an inside day today. And so all of them are just playing around in small areas. Now, the one thing in IWM I want to point out is, as price pushed up this morning, the high of last week was our headwind, and we did not even tag it. We came close to it and collapsed. So that's why it's important to look at what was the high low of last week, what was the high low close of yesterday, what was the 15-minute range of the previous few days of trading. It's very important to take a look at all of those. So today, as first day of the week, very small move day, not a whole lot of excitement, so I'm not going to bore you with unnecessary analysis. All we're seeing is nice push up on Friday, followed by a minimal gain today. Even if it's a loss today, if it's a negative day, it's not that big of a deal. It's just a small range day. In all of them, as you can see, small range day, with the exception of IWM. IWM pushed up close to last week's high and collapsed from there. So with VWAP being below the mid-range of the 15-minute range of today, I'm not yet ready to take a position to the upside. What I would like to see is price to close above the VWAP, maybe test it and resume, and maybe try to tag last week's high again. That will give us a $2, $1.90 move. That's what we were looking for. So this is how the markets are setting up. This is not very exciting day, but we trade what we see, not what we want to see. Alright everyone, take care, and I will see you in the next video, and it will be more consistent now that I'm back from vacation. Take care.